children.
Hello, curious explorers in the Park of Knowledge. Did you know that a computer can get as hot as a sun-warmed stone on a summer day while working? For it to work well, it needs constant cooling, just like we need a refreshing breeze. So how can we give it that coolness? I invited everyone to discover the secrets of airflow inside a computer. By the pond, I met the guinea pig and the parrot, who each had their own interesting ideas about cooling a computer. The guinea pig thought the fans inside were there to make the computer smell nice. She said she tried attaching little fragrant flowers to the fan blades, but they immediately flew off and made a mess. The parrot, on the other hand, believed the fans were for drying the inside parts after rain. She was convinced the computer had to be perfectly dry, so after every drizzle, she turned it on full power to dry out the inside. I explained to them that, although their ideas were funny, fans are not for making things smell good or for drying. Their only job is to create a cool breeze that protects the computer from overheating. On the viewpoint hill, I met the dog and the ladybug. The dog shared that on a hot day, after running for a long time, he had to hide in the shade and pant to cool down. He noticed that his computer also gets hot after long gaming sessions, and the fans start working loudly, blowing warm air out the back. The ladybug added that she once built a small house out of leaves. It was very stuffy inside until she made 2 holes, one at the bottom and one at the top. Right away, she felt a pleasant breeze because cool air came in from below and warm air escaped from above. I agreed with them that these are great examples showing what cooling is all about, constantly removing hot air and replacing it with cool air. On the bridge over the stream, I met the sparrow and the frog. I decided to check what they knew and asked them about airflow in a computer. The sparrow explained that the main rule is to pull in cool air from the front and bottom of the case. He said that cold air is heavier, so it rises more slowly. The frog added that hot air, which is lighter and rises up, should be actively blown out from the back and top of the case. This way, a steady, one-way stream of air is created. I praised them for their knowledge, summing up that proper airflow is based on the natural movement of heat and is crucial for the computer's performance. Dear researchers, today we learned how important breathing is for a computer. We understood that proper airflow, cold air coming in and hot air going out, is like lungs for the machine, protecting its heart and brain from overheating. Remember, a cool computer is a happy and well-working computer. See you for more discoveries in the Park of Knowledge.